Want to lose fat, build muscle, and eat like a pro, all in one video? You're in the right place. In the next 30 minutes, we'll break down the science, simplify your workouts, and give you a realistic nutrition plan that actually works. Whether you're a beginner or getting back on track, this is your complete guide to a better body and a better you. Weight loss muscle. Gain daily nutrition, beginner to pro tips. Weight loss, the truth. Let's kill the myth. You don't need to starve yourself to lose weight. Weight loss happens when you're in a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you eat. What is a calorie deficit? How to calculate your daily needs. BMR plus TDEE. Example: a 25-year-old 70-kilogram person equals approximately 2,200 kilocalories per day. Safe target: 500 calorie deficit per day equals 1 pound per week. Greater than cardio helps, but diet is 80% of weight loss. That means cut soda, sugar, and processed junk. Focus on whole foods like lean meats, veggies, and complex carbs. Eat clean, not less. 500 calorie deficit equals sustainable fat loss. Hydrate 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Workout routine for fat loss and muscle. Gain. Muscle burns fat even while you sleep, so don't just run. Train with weights. Best exercises for fat burn. HIIT, high-intensity interval training, 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Example: 30 seconds jump squats, 30 seconds rest, x 10 rounds, beginner full-body strength workout squats, 3 sets of 10 push-ups, 3 sets of 10 rows or pull-ups, 3 sets of 8 planks, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Start light. Focus on form. Progress weekly, either by adding reps, sets, or weight. Build muscle. Burn more fat 3 days strength, plus 2 days. I eat progress. Wow, I try results. Clean nutrition, what to eat. Abs are made in the kitchen. Let's make nutrition simple. Key points: protein, muscle repair, chicken, eggs, tofu, fish. Carbs, energy, brown rice, oats, fruits. Fats, hormonal health, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Fiber, digestion, veggies, whole grains. Simple meal plan. Breakfast: oats with banana, peanut butter, protein shake. Lunch: grilled chicken breast, quinoa, steamed veggies. Dinner: baked salmon, sweet potatoes, greens. Snacks: Greek yogurt, almonds, protein bars. No crash diets, no starvation, just balanced meals 3 to 4 times a day, with water, fiber, and movement. Motivation plus sustainability. Here's what most people miss. Consistency beats perfection. Tips for staying on track. Track your meals. MyFitnessPal. Take weekly progress photos. Set goals. Lose 5 kilograms in 8 weeks, or do 10 push-ups. Rest 1 to 2 days per week. Your muscles grow when you recover. Fitness isn't a punishment, it's a reward. And your body will thank you for every small step you take. Beginner to advanced. Progress. Plan week 1 to 4. Focus on form and habit building. Week 5 to 8. Add resistance, track calories, chart your macros, increase water intake. Week 9 to 12. Dial in macros, introduce intermittent fasting if preferred. Add compound lifts like deadlifts and barbell squats. In 90 days, you can completely transform, not just how you look, but how you feel. You don't need luck. You need a plan. And you've got it now. Like this video if you learned something. Share it with a friend who's ready to change their life. And subscribe for weekly fitness, nutrition, and motivation content. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment below with your goal. Lose weight, build muscle, or both. I'll personally reply with advice tailored to you.